Continuing from our last episode, as we said, to be continued. So
Forgive us. Please subscribe and stay with us for more and more. Because we didn't plan to stay for this long, but we just had to.
We had to.
we had to.
Yes. Yes. Yes,
We had
you're telling us about Mamelodi Sundowns.
Spaghetti.
Cognon.
Sure. Besikhuluma nge-Sundowns. Do you think like i-Sundowns are we guys sleeping upon i-Sundowns, or is Sundowns actually not really the Sundowns that we know?
It's not. It's not, and it's not based on players. The Sundowns has quality players. Right now, I feel like
I like to deep on the quality players, but yes.
the Sundowns, we say it's off form,
Mhm.
but it's still a threat, and that should
Okay.
say something.
Mhm.
Because now it's off form based on big teams when it's playing against us, and the off form corner, it's Sundowns giving us draws, not allowing us to win. So the Sundowns right now, as a fan of Pirates, I'll say they should extend the contract of Cardoso. Yeah, because
I know.
Because
Yeah.
if the Sundowns gets a good coach,
Yeah.
Usales,
Problem.
no, that Portuguese player number 10,
Santos.
will give us a problem. No, Shalulile, once they click and
Yeah.
they get a coach that will make them click, it's chai.
But
And
I
the
feel like
coach,
they're
is
doing the same.
coach is open.
Mhm.
For me, now good Sundowns player. I don't know if it's because I don't like the guy. Cupido. I don't think he's the best.
For me, the
friend.
defense is untouchable. The defense is okay.
But that
The issue with Mamelodi Sundowns is how they play,
yeah,
how they go forward, how they create chances. There's no creativity.
like in
that
the
team.
show, like and they have
Yeah.
one of the most creative players, the best that I can say with that guy
Yes.
is very good. But
Yeah.
we have
Maybe
they
it's in the
fail-
best of
yeah,
it.
they fail
can't
to
bring it out.
unleash.
So you know what I think is happening in Mamelodi Sundowns, right? It's a team that has gone stale. There are players that have been there for way
For
too
Iskata
long,
Spy.
and they've exhausted almost all of the resources of PSL. They've bought each and every player they could buy. You understand?
Can I make an argument again?
Yeah.
I would like to differ on what you guys are saying.
Why?
You guys are judging
This
i-Sundowns
guy is always different.
Yeah, it's always
based
different.
on what you know about Sundowns.
Yeah,
In which
we're
Sundowns,
comparing them to themselves.
yes,
Yeah.
compared like to the past Sundowns. and
Yes, that's the
everything,
whole point.
yeah. But
They've declined.
there's one thing that Sundowns hasn't stopped doing.
Yeah.
That's winning.
Yeah,
Wait,
it has it,
wait,
but is
so-
it convincing?
No,
The
it's not
ways
about
that they do.
convincing.
Remember,
You can play ugly but still win the
The
game.
Sundowns, they are
but
Majazi fan
they are not
Because
that type of.
now-
They are not that type of
So
team
now
Sundowns
to win
know.
unconvincing.
For the past 7 years.
Yes.
The Sundowns
So
that you know.
you not winning unconvincingly is a sign of problems that are coming in.
They no longer
do you
dominate.
think it's
You remember
problems, or
Sundowns?
that's how Cardoso does his things?
No,
It's
it's
shaky,
problems.
though. It gives an
problems,
opposition
yes.
a chance.
After
Yes.
you play against them, then you see
you remember- you
what
remember-
you usually see Maspegi TV.
Yeah.
It's not actually what you're seeing when you're
You remember-
playing.
Okay, I'm with you.
You remember Sundowns Kamkwena?
My friend,
It's
everyone
Sundowns
is saying Sundowns is weak, but no team has actually
Huh?
proven them they are weak. But telling you, they are
No,
struggling. Basafara.
thinking there is a team there when it's
Mhm.
playing. You can see okay, this team is on form.
Yeah.
beating
Yeah.
other
Yes.
teams.
Yes.
Then when you have your own team, you're like, even if it's on form, it can't beat a certain team. So that means they still lack something. If they used to beat that team, if they used to be a threat for every team,
Yeah.
once they start being that one team that says we can beat this guy, then it's
Up until
no longer
you
the same
enter,
team.
Up until you enter.
No,
the
but
But
for me,
now they're not dominant.
What Sto is saying is
They're not
Yeah.
dominant.
teams usually whenever they went to Iloftas,
yeah.
they
They
went
had
with
no hope.
Ifia.
Yeah, Saba.
You see today, we are going to get cooked.
Yeah.
Yes.
But now they go with
Hope.
today, we might actually get a point out of this game.
They see loopholes. Which
Yes.
if you do this and
Point
this,
is Spaghetti Polonio FC.
yeah, Meatballs FC.
Meatballs FC.
Yeah.
Those guys, Joe, again, I was saying that still they've had the very same players for too long. And what they are failing to do is they're failing to integrate new players with the old players. If you can notice, Umudiba, he can't play with the team anymore.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Umudiba can't play with the team anymore. Cupido is a new player. I'm not saying he's bad, he's a new player.
Yeah.
Cupido as well. And Umdao is still the same, is still nice. But then let's come to the midfield. The midfield is now Allende, Nuno Santos, and who else?
Opas.
Exactly. You see, you
But
had
as of now,
Mukwena.
Umkwena is out. So
it's
Opas,
suspension.
Opas,
But
yeah.
let's just say it's
And
Mukwena,
Nosales
Allende,
uyangena.
it's Mukwena, or Allende, and Nuno Santos. Where does that leave Usales?
Usales is a
ngathi badlala
Usales is
And then-
wenza lento obewukhuluma ngabo Apolis ukuthi is a winger come
Yes,
attacking
it's a right
midfielder. So
winger,
we are
yeah.
It starts as a striker though.
And then now, again,
no banokumfaka noShalulile but ungambheka uyabe
Again.
wing.
who is the Sundowns number 9?
It's
Urena.
uShalulile.
Urena. You forgot about Urena.
Yeah,
Speaking
that's-
now,
Usalo-
speaking now.
I
Don't
think
forget
point
he's
is-
not a
Point is that team lacks in Latin stability.
structure.
Not structure, stability. For a team to be dominant, Urulani, Maitili Ndugu, besazi.
Ukuthi kudlala bani.
Besazi.
And
Ukuthi
you know why it was like bekatshela Nduku
yeah.
and people would strategize. So bashaya ngecount. Right now, awazi nokuthi ushaye which one.
Sundowns. You press them high.
But that thing is not working
No.
for them. If you remember our game back with Killer Chiefs versus that 0-0 game
Yeah.
against Mamelodi Sundowns,
Mhm.
we dominated those guys.
Yes.
Doing a plan.
Yeah.
They had
Actually-
to defend. They had to come back and make sure ukuthi they don't concede.
Those guys, their
Yes.
only source of income. I'm making an example. I'm saying income so you guys can get the point.
So
Mamelodi
income.
Sundowns' only source of income is Mukwena. If
We-
you remove Mukwena from that team,
And
the
the,
team is
and the,
intege mfana.
and the ubheke against Pirates. Umkwena bekangekho.
Yeah.
Umuntu ostep uphile was Williams. It was Williams. I'm saying it was. I can say.
Yes.
Allende was out of this world.
I was doubting that guy.
Allende was out of this world.
Allende were to play like that in each and every game.
Allende.
Because
Yes.
Not the holding midfielder.
to tell you the
type of
truth,
thing.
Even if you're a Pirates fan,
Yes.
if you're watching that game,
yeah, Ireland
Pirates were out of form.
center
Especially the first 60 minutes.
But
Until they-
Bayenze, you see, in
And
ends
that
golden
goal, my
arrows.
friend,
Yeah, it's
if it wasn't that
goal.
for that goal,
They don't- they
Pirates
don't
was
get a goal.
out of the game.
Yeah, yes.
Lost.
Nabo, marigol yabo.
My friend, no.
Aye.
Aye.
No, it's not penetration. It's not penetration. It was a foul. It was a foul. But it was a foul. Before the goal, it was a foul.
Nah.
Nyakutshela, it was a foul. Go and search that. It was a foul. So
Okay.
into engayi-
Blame. Who do you blame?
it was a foul.
Sundowns was the ref.
Uref, Robert.
Okay, fine.
Let's talk about the Cup Champions League. bro.
I want ukhona na kuyo leyo azoyikhuluma see.
Let's start with
Yenze
the,
ngathi it
Before say what? Kune statement
Yeah,
esashawa
yeah.
coach who's great.
yeah.
Welupopo FC. He asked for Sundowns. We
Which
told
one?
we told him.
But okay, let's
Do you think they are going to
actually-
perform?
wait.
against Popo.
I'll talk about CAF.
when
I'll talk
Popo-
about CAF Champions League or CAF Confederations.
Champions.
Okay,
because
Champions League.
Liverpool are the champions.
And there's
Champions.
a bigger discussion, and you're champions of nothing because I win a league.
Champions. Champions.
There's a bigger discussion to be had.
Champions. Anikho.
Mamelodi Sundowns versus Mukoko.
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns versus Urulani.
Yeah. Yes, and I saw it.
Mamelodi Sundowns. Do you think after Urulani Shire Sundowns are gonna behave the same way they behaved in Mopito? My keeper say Al Ali. Are they gonna do the same thing that they did to Mopito to Urulani? That is the question. Are Mamelodi Sundowns fans gonna do the very same thing that they did to Mopito Musiman the last time he came to Loftus?
Yeah.
Or they're gonna treat Urulani with respect?
Same
Because
way.
Upito has more
No.
legacy. They couldn't respect him. Why would they respect Urula?
So you think they're gonna be as
I mean, I know what they will do.
Yeah.
They will still be passing Sundowns.
Yeah. They don't like.
Yeah.
They don't like Cardoso. They don't.
They will still be
So,
passing Sundowns.
wait. So you guys are telling me right now that Mamelodi Sundowns fans
Brazil. Yeah.
are gonna be more
They'll be Brazilians.
they're gonna take the Mamelodi Sundowns bus
Yes.
instead of trying to intimidate the MC.
Yeah.
The same way when they lose
Pass.
to
Pito. Oh yeah, to you. Yeah.
it's still but Niyazi,
Okay.
it's all because of you. Hlanya lo
Is-
uyabuya
And Mukoko is gonna be fair.
Abuya
Okay,
again.
is Rulani gonna outsmart Ukatos?
Yeah.
Urulani
Okay, Urulani, if he
That's the
fails,
question.
okay,
That's
if
the
he fails,
Yeah.
I think I don't know ama-players adlala ngawo.
Numbers ngifuna ukusho same
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't
But
know how he
if-
plays.
No, but let's take his brain.
Yeah,
Let's just
if-
use his brain
yeah.
as
I think
a reference.
using his brain,
Yeah.
his capabilities to
Yes.
think and to strategize,
Yes.
he will definitely. He
So you
will.
think Rulan is gonna finish in Sundowns?
No.
Yeah.
Because
Why?
in terms of failures,
Yeah.
it might be the capabilities of the players. We
But
don't
you
know
think-
the league they play
Okay,
in, how they
No.
perform.
Yeah,
Besides the
but-
capabilities, the players that Rulani
Yes.
knew
Yeah.
our Sundowns,
Yeah.
they are no longer there. He's now planning against Usantos.
But Sundowns
But
for me,
based
Sundowns-
on what he has
Usantos
delivered,
is watching few matches here, then go to Portugal and try to read him as a player. We are going to, now it's like
It's hard for
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I think Rulan is capable of reading a player with
Yeah.
just one game.
yeah,
Rulan is capable of just making
Yeah.
a game plan out of nothing.
and
that guy is
you-
good. Rulan is
He
good.
is.
He's over biased, but
Because Rulan, I can say,
he failed the Pirates.
I think if he stayed,
Yeah.
if he had stayed long enough, Mzansi,
Yeah.
we would try to put him in the same level as Upito.
Never.
No,
If he
because
had long
Yeah.
enough.
he lacks the trophies to do so.
Yeah, in think
He
so.
lacks the
If-
Champions League.
But
Besides
if
the
he stayed
trophies.
long enough,
Yeah.
Ekazoba
No.
now, my trophy. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes
No, besides that, my friend.
Yeah.
If you're trying to compare the two,
Mm.
Orlando has coached two big teams and Rafael Agaiwan.
Mhm.
Waba successful
Yeah.
Agaiwan. Behind his success,
Yeah, beat.
competition. Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to differ on that.
But
one.
Wasal was built there.
No, a builder in because
The
they
team.
got built in.
But Wasal was in there.
Yeah, I
Utbhayile.
built it.
Akabhayi-
I built it.
abomkwena ababhayanga.
wasn't him.
Umkwena-
It wasn't him. Yeah, what beat
But-
him?
It was him.
No,
Umkwena
no.
usuke kusup-
No, no.
Upitso
Umkwena iplayer
was
Pizzo.
Ah,
Iplayer like Pizzo.
mm.
Umkwena iplayer.
Upitso bekadlala ngohlongo
Hlomphekekana.
Hlomphekekana. Bekadlala Hlomphekekana, Uzwane,
No.
Uzungu.
No.
This is where our PSL knowledge is tested.
Yeah.
These guys don't even know when Mukwena was bought, who was the coach.
Umkwena was
Umkwena akashayanga 6.
don't forget.
Akusunguye wasishaya 6.
Khohlwayo.
Mm-mm.
Unenteni ikhohlwayo.
Hey,
After-
one was I mean,
No, yeah. Everyone.
yeah.
Akusuke wasishaya 6.
After Upito.
No, I'm not talking about
I mean,
Sundowns. I'm talking about
It's Super Sport. That is
No.
Shy Pirates.
Yeah.
Six.
Super Sport.
Yeah.
No, Khohlwayo.
No, he said it was Mukwena in that team.
Zange
No,
he
it's
wasn't
squad.
there. He wasn't. Umkwena bambhayana 22.
High speed. High speed.
Bambhayana 22. Bembhaya iSundowns.
High speed.
Bekangekho that time. Bekanga-
But if
No.
bekakhona
Okay,
bekangadlali.
quick question. During
Yeah.
COVID, who was coaching Sundowns?
It wasn't Pete.
Yeah, it wasn't Pete ubengumkhwena.
It wasn't.
It was Upito.
Kanti uPete
No.
uPete uwine nini ku-Champions League nge-Ali.
No.
Gambala season.
uPete uwine
Yes.
uPete
Next week, Umkwena bekakhona.
uPete uwine nini i-Champions League ne-Ali 2021.
Yeah, like after
Yeah.
COVID, 2020, like 20.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, azofisa
coaching
i-Chelsea,
Pete.
yeah.
Whoa. During COVID, actually, Pete was Shark final.
We are sharp final.
So how was he on Sundowns? Or like
Nah, I remember to COVID obviously extended.
2021?
Yeah.
Yeah.
After Upito,
Yeah.
iSundowns yacoachwa ama-coaches ayi-3.
Steve Compella.
Yeah.
Manqoba Mniti.
Nomkhwena.
Yeah.
We cannot give Umkwena a-credit A1. Even if let's
But
say
he was
we-
the leader.
No, he wasn't the lead. There were 3.
So remember, most
Was-
Oh, bamgayi leader after, yeah, bamgayi leader after.
like cross the air.
Yeah. But the
No,
the
to Steve Compella.
but the Sundowns then became more fierce uma beqeda umgayi i-leadership.
No.
Because remember after they fired umnqithi after. Angithi
after-
Michael Dubai.
iSundowns.
Wavaya ngithi umkwena umnqithi bamgayi i-chance bese bamboshwa.
It
No.
was only last season.
Yeah.
Last season.
I would like to differ on that one.
But then, okay. But
Back
then,
to main point.
let's not over elaborate on
Umkwena.
yeah,
Yeah.
because of course they're gonna be two Umkoko. That team.
Mukoko.
I don't even know how parents fail
That's
to
why.
these guys.
Like even today, I still ask myself,
How do you
what
guys
happened in Congo?
you would think Kaizer Chiefs will make it out of the group with Al Mazra and Zamalek.
Zamalek, no.
Let's exclude the other team. Let's exclude the other
Nah.
team.
Ah.
You said no without even
Yeah, no.
why?
Mina besifuna
So,
ukufakela
It
iMan
is-
City.
Why?
Okay. Yes.
Why?
iMan City.
Okay.
Why?
If I'm gonna base this on
No, don't say if. Give us a
Okay,
reason
if-
why
okay.
you said no.
yeah,
Chiefs
angithi
progressing
ngifuna ukuya.
Yeah.
I'm trying to balance my answer. Maybe ngizoshintsha ingqondo along the way.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, maybe.
Tell no,
maybe.
Uyishintshela
So,
Uyishintshela.
remember mina when I speak ama-points wami, most of the times I don't speak as a fan. Njengani, I don't normally defend the team even
So
if I don't
you
have-
over explain till you convince yourself.
No.
Yes.
Don't try to be smart. So based on if I'm basing Chiefs on the performance right now,
Yeah.
no. If I'm gonna base Chiefs on the performances, yeah, when they play my teams angaphandle, they have a chance. Because we know which Chiefs and Pirates they are strong when they're playing outside.
So wait. So then why?
And when they are strong,
why
they will
say
sacrifice one.
No? Why say no if you are going to say they stand a chance?
I'm saying based on the current
You
performance.
said no, and then you asked
Yeah.
why. So you can't say
I'm
they
saying-
stand a chance.
So your point is very
No, you guys are confused. No, and it's confused.
yeah.
Now you guys you always fail to get the main point. I say if I'm basing Chiefs,
let me show my data. No, because-
You can't say no when you use challenge away.
why. So ngeke guy reason is lewa left, nawa right, naphezulu, naphansi, Maria le. If you don't tell no, you say no.
Okay,
Explain why you say no.
Listen,
Don't say no.
Listen,
Do it.
listen.
Yeah.
My no stands with if Chiefs. I'm judging Chiefs based on the current performance now. Niyabona mfuna ungithola. Niyahleka. Yini nihlekani? Uhlekani?
So
Judging Chiefs.
you ask me right now. Ask me right now.
Ngibuzile ukuthi nihlekana niphendula ngithi ngibuyele ngikhuluma.
Sharp.
Nge-performance ngizoyikhuluma ngeVenek.
Yeah.
Nge-performance ye-Chiefs manje. Ku-group of death, they won't make it out.
Ngoba
Judging nge-performance yamanje, Chiefs hasn't had consistency. It always draws. But draw too much. They won't make it there. And the good group stages, if you draw a lot, you are out. Because
What is Zamalek doing?
when you're playing against teams like Zamalek has a history of dominance.
okay, so is Zamalek wait. Is Zamalek unamba ngulike yaslo?
I don't know.
Personally, I think we're gonna survive the group. Because if you guys look at Al Mazra, it's not really that it's not convincing. The only Egyptian teams that are convincing is Zamalek. Cleopatra, because it's currently number 1, number 2. It's fighting the league Pyramids and Al Ahly. Al Mazra is just a team that always chows our sleeps, but it doesn't really go anywhere.
Yeah.
But
Zamalek as well is recovery. It can beat us home, and then when Zamalek is away, we can beat them.
And I believe that Nami that's a 50-50.
Yeah.
game.
So you the question that should be asked is not whether Kaizer Chiefs can make it out of the group of death, but whether can Kaizer Chiefs actually reach the final. You understand? But the group is not really that hard. If I look at it from a footballing perspective, and look at Al Mazra as a team, look at Zamalek as a team, as recently Zamalek has been bad. It's a big team in Egypt, but recently they've been poor.
Yeah.
They are
Okay.
recovering right now.
Mina ne.
And Cleopatra is we're not gonna get to see your player.
Okay, so Mara, Mina, I'm still gonna say.
Yeah,
Now I'm going back to my point.
yeah.
Chiefs, you won't make it. The other main reason why you don't make it, because up there we hate watching it. That's the other main
Okay,
point.
Spuda
Any into the Chiefs won't make it. I still say consistent.
makes it. That's
Yes.
actually a better point than the previous point.
Yeah, I need that one is to give me credit.
But do you
Consistent.
know, Mina,
Yeah,
why in Bilibelti they can make it?
Yeah.
When like last time us like CAF,
yeah.
we faced bigger challenges than what we are facing right
And
now.
with
But-
the squad, with the squad that was not as
No,
good as
it
the one that
wasn't
we have
even
now.
It wasn't.
Yes.
But what we did was outstanding.
Back then,
No one saw us
Yes.
coming.
Yes.
But we were there.
That's
Yeah.
back then in Ibeka.
Yeah.
The Chiefs, it was league. It was conceding, but it had the best attack. Like you had two players that were unstoppable.
They were failing to do that quickly. That's why the Chingeko.
Yeah, but Unukovic. Was it Beka Acheka Noban? Unukovic.
Castro,
Castro.
Castro and
Kamgade.
Yeah, into
that.
yabona uPiliachi no Nokovic. Those guys they were I don't know.
Malega was
I don't know.
very injured.
I don't know who league ukuthi befeyila kanjani. Mara those two, you remember they were even saying Ukama Piliachi is the Neymar of South Africa. Like Ukama Piliachi was unstoppable, and every cross with
Okay,
Nokovic was a goal.
And now,
That's why they
now,
our defense is fire.
yeah.
That's why
9 clean sheets.
That's why I said draws. That's why I said they might
Yes.
draw.
9 clean sheets.
Okay, Snow.
And
Okay, Snow. Your last remarks before you exchange back with Tabang.
Yeah, the other Kaizer Chiefs fan.
Yeah, your
I'm
last.
the only Pirates fan. Match.
Don't stop trying to get them on your side, Snow.
They should run.
Give us,
Guys, I'm lonely.
Snow. Hello.
Yeah.
Give us your last remarks.
On Chiefs.
Yeah, on Chiefs.
The Chiefs. I still say I'm not saying as a fan,
Okay.
as a hater.
Don't explain your case.
No,
Give us your last remarks.
Unamatima i4.
Yeah.
Yeah, number 1.
Yeah, one number 3.
Okay. Right.
Thank you.
3 men.
Tabang.
3 men.
Number two.
Now I believe number 2.
Okay, so with Utabang back, we move to the most important topic of the episode.
Which
Of the
one is
two
that?
episodes.
Which one is that one?
Hugo Bruce.
My favorite.
Hugo Bruce.
My favorite.
You guys, you know, guys, you know, with Hugo Bruce, with our national team, we always have a lot to say.
Yeah.
We always have a lot of opinions. We always have a lot of things to say. Basically, we coach Bafana Bafana from the Matchday Anime podcast.
Yeah.
But in order for us to reach Hugo Bruce, let's start with the players. Let's talk about international players.
Yeah.
Before we actually reach to Hugo Bruce and Bafana Bafana level.
Yeah, sure.
Let's actually talk about international players.
Okay.
We have Campbell.
Yeah.
We have Lodge.
Yeah.
We have Vunkota.
We have
We have Ustole.
Foster.
And we have Forst.
Yeah.
Those are the key players that are actually important to Bafana Bafana.
I won't say Campbell is important for
But let's look at Bruce's philosophy, age, because recently he came out firing at Lodge about the ages and the what.
Yeah.
Which I think for me is what does the English say? It's hypocrisy.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm using the right word.
Yeah. Hypocrisy in terms of what? Who is he taking?
He said we had Lodge before, but the most important thing he said about Lodge was the age.
But he said he didn't perform well.
That's an excuse.
In the game he picked him.
That's an excuse. Why do you still
Which game? Because I think
why-
the last game he played, he scored.
yes, why do
Now
you
like
still have
2 in a row. he
No.
scored.
No, I'm saying in Bafana Bafana.
yeah, that's what he said. I'm saying why do you still have Ricardo Kos in a Bafana Bafana team?
How many have you played that have like?
Yeah.
How many Bafana
The
Bafana
thing
players
is,
have you played?
I'll say is because we don't know what Spirit Lodge brought to the team when he was picked.
My
Maybe he
nigga,
was
spirit is just an excuse.
no. What if he was a salty player who was just
But he didn't say that.
bringing-
I'm using what he said, and the main thing that I grabbed was the age.
Yeah, obviously he
Lodge is
said-
32 years old.
he said-
32 years
he
old.
said
Right?
he's, bringing Lodge is not building for the future.
How old is Mudao?
About 80,
He's
32.
30.
Yeah.
How old is Uspisi?
BC 80, I think also.
How old is Umudiba?
Mudiba, is he not 29 or something like that?
How old is
Urenas?
Utembazwan?
Chambers one is like 34.
How old is Urenas?
83, 30 something.
Point is,
But
whoa. Point is, he's using age as an excuse as if he doesn't have 30-year-olds in the team.
no, exactly. But you can't have 10, 30-year-olds.
But we are going to a big competition.
So you
There
want
is no way ever I'm going to a big continental tournament. I leave an experienced player, talented player, regardless of the age. Now I'm umuntu for the future. Umuntu who has potential. He's not currently nice.
Yeah.
He's not currently nice. His potential is nice. His potential to grow. For example, there's no way I'm going to take Umremi over Uloch. Umremi, he has the potential to be. Uloch is the B. He's currently what we need.
Yeah.
Also, I feel like, hence I say I used hypocrisy. And the only reason why we don't criticize Bruce is because
He wins.
no,
He's winning.
it's because he got us to World Cup and AFCON. Which for me personally, I don't think
Nah, boy. It has a weight. It has a
way. It has weight.
It has
Point
weight.
is, if you can look at it from what Bruce is saying, because he said Lodge is the age and whatever,
Yeah.
the future. Why would someone talk about the future if the guy said he won't be there after the World Cup?
But yeah, I get that.
Remember,
But
this guy is playing for this is his last tournament. So as your last tournament, you tell me you are risking to lose your last tournament for the club, for the national team, for the future. You think Bruce likes South Africa to that point that he's willing to risk his last coaching career for the future of South Africa? Because he's talking about the future,
but he's done it though.
Wait. He's talking about the future,
Yeah.
but he won't be there for South Africa's future.
My man. Tabang.
Does he love us that much to risk his own footballing career for the future of South Africa?
I think he loves the players. I think he sees more in the players, and I think he sees that if he takes these players, they can go to other teams. They can be bought by other certain teams. No team from Europe is buying Lodge, unfortunately. Right now, I don't care how hard Lodge is.
Yeah.
No team is buying Lodge. Even if he goes to the World Cup and he scores like 7 goals or something crazy, he becomes the top goal. No team from Europe is buying Lodge.
Which team is buying Mudau? Our best right back for the past 2 years.
Okay,
For the past 5 years.
What is he doing?
What do you mean? What is he doing?
He's performing. Of course, he's performing.
I'm asking you based on what you are saying. Which European team is buying Mudau current?
Not team.
Besides Umdao, which
Not
team
team.
is buying Bafana's number 1?
Roland Williams.
No team is doing that. But what I'm saying is,
Why are we still playing Williams?
Yeah.
Why are we still playing
you
Williams?
have evidence that Lodge will perform when he gets there.
Yes.
Okay.
From what?
His form. The very same reason why Hugo Bruce is calling Unem Tangera. Does he have evidence that guy, if he goes to the AFCON, he's going to perform the very same way?
How old is
he? He doesn't. No, but where is the proof?
But what are you basing your take Lodge based on? What are you basing it on? On form only.
On the fact that he's kind of on form and AFCON is in 30 days. It's in 40 days. There's no way you can take someone who's in form for tournament that's in 40 days for someone who has a potential to be best in 1 year's time.
Where was he when I needed him? When we were
Where was Nemtangela?
when we were calling for
Nemtangela and Murembe were not there as well.
Where was he when we were qualifying for the World Cup? For the AFCON? So now
Nemtangela and Murembe, they're not there as well.
So you want him to just take Lodge now?
Yeah.
So when Tabang ufuna uLodge avela show up bengamkholanga apho.
I get that performer. Where was his form? It's just
Okay.
he wasn't. No, even before that, when did the World Cup qualification start? When
Who in Bafana starting lineup was gonna do what Lodge did with World Cup against Man City?
When did the World Cup start? Qualification stage. When did it start? Pesita was there. When the World Cup
is currently not there.
Yeah, it's currently not there. No. Why is he not there? Because he's not performing and also the age.
See, the point that you're making is currently invalid because you're comparing Lodge to the players that they were not there as well. Nemtangela was not there as well. Muremi was not there as well.
Yes.
They're not there.
Yes. How old are they?
How can you use age if there's still 30-year-olds in the team?
But what I'm saying is you can't have 10, 30-year-olds. Who's going to press? Are they going to last 9
Can I ask you a question? Tabang, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Who in the under 30 left back or wing back can you say this one can Marco Salah 90 minutes? Under 30, that you know.
Under 30?
Yeah.
We're in South Africa?
Yeah, in the PSL.
You're talking
Bafana. Like everyone, anyone that you know, under 30, who can say this one can mark Mohamed Salah, can mark Hakim Ziyech.
Obviously, I don't trust Mudiba to do it.
I said who?
Yeah, I'm just saying
wing backs. It's just
wing backs.
I'm choosing my options, obviously.
Wing backs.
Yo. can I take?
Because uyazi ucross nje baqedile ngayo.
Ah, yeah, obvious.
Cross baqedile ngayo.
Yeah.
Suggestions.
Left back.
No, but
Unyani-
remember, Umnyani is not being considered by Hugo Bruce.
Yeah.
Considered for some reason.
Wait, are you talking right?
Nix.
I am talking about
Yeah, under 30.
Right back. Oh, left
Wing
back.
backs.
Oh, yeah. Obviously, I'll take Mudiba. Not Mudiba, man. Who's the Mudau?
Under 30.
Under
30.
Oh, under
That's-
30.
yeah,
Under 30.
You said under 30.
Under
Yeah.
that. I'm coming to a point here.
No,
age,
no,
ukuthi Age. As
Yeah.
in age. Usala is 30 something. 32, 33.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
And Usala
I can't have 10 over.
that's what I'm saying.
I'm saying. Hey, Baba, your lineup can't be filled with 30 players.
Answer the question.
That's what you're saying.
One
Because
player,
now-
Lodge.
now you can
Remember, it's Lodge,
Yeah.
Mudau,
Yeah.
Sibisakazali. So it's going to be Mudau, Lodge, Mudi,
Williams.
no
No
Williams.
Williams.
So it's 4.
Take out forward. Lord.
Not even, yeah.
But he's not a winger, Lodge. Lodge is not. He's no longer a wing. Come on, Lodge is no longer a winger.
Okay, fine.
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah.
No,
Now
no,
Lodge is no longer a winger. How long is the
Take
number
out
10?
Tumbul and put to Lodge.
Lodge.
Take out Tumbul.
Umbele actually should not be even international.
Nah, take out Tumbul.
And put Lodge.
Umbule is
Makes sense.
Umbule is in his late 20s. Uloch is in his early 30s.
Yeah, 32.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
which one would you prefer?
Which one would I prefer?
Yeah.
And remember, Tabak,
Yeah.
and remember,
And-
we are not talking about Uloch is going to be 34 next year. Currently, a 32-year-old is performing
No,
excellent.
Yeah,
in 80 days.
You are a
80
coach.
days, yeah,
You are a coach.
Coach is on form. He's a 32-year-old, yes, but he's currently on form. Don't just support the future because we're playing
Okay,
AFCON now.
Nah, no.
Because that is an invalid argument. You can't be telling us that for the future when the tournament is actually now.
I
It's like saying, I'm not playing Cristiano Ronaldo because it's not the future of Portugal. That doesn't make sense.
And plus,
I'm not playing Umudao because it's not the future of Bafana
Mkwena
Bafana.
is 28.
Williams.
Mkwena is 28.
Yeah.
By the time, in 4 years time,
Yeah.
we have a second dad.
4 years time. Which 4 years time?
The next World Cup.
Next up.
Yeah.
We have a second dad.
it's an
Do you
invalid
think he's now
argument.
useless? He's now washed up.
Now he's been coming up with the Bafana. So you want?
He said he's building the future. How
Yes.
do you Umuntu at 28?
But it's part of the future. It's part of the
Tabang,
present.
Tabang.
Why don't get-
28, you're thinking
Why-
about retirement.
Why is the future being used?
You won't be
as a
38.
reference?
Come
No,
on.
he is 28. If you are 28, you are thinking about
No.
retirement.
Yeah.
No, you know.
Tabang,
No.
why is the future being used as a reference? One thing about football, you can say the future. This football is all about the now.
Yeah,
You can
yeah,
win the
I
World
get-
Cup today.
I get that.
So normal today. So at least.
Yeah. Sure.
Credit is on form. Play Lodge. You can't be telling us about the future when you yourself won't be there for that future. Which future is Hugo Bruce building if you won't be there? What if the next coach comes and there's a different philosophy? That makes sense. You can't be telling us about the future that you won't be there to
No.
control.
I
You won't be
get.
there to control the future.
I get that. I get that.
It's the point that is
But
making.
also,
He's validating choosing Orlando Pirates players or whatever players he likes. He's trying to justify that by
Yeah.
using edges. Try that with Chambers one. The heat that came there was too much. The only difference with Lodge, there's not enough heat. That's the only difference between Chambers one. Yeah,
He used to like Lord.
so you
he's
think?
justifying his reasons with the future.
Yeah. I remember when he tried it with Chambers
The
one.
heat,
Sure.
the heat that came was just too much. Too much heat.
So you think?
Too much heat, boy. You can't argue with heat. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
But now,
Talk about the heat. That guy, remember that guy, to show that guy is playing mind games with us. Of course, we won't argue with him because he's winning, right?
Yeah.
But if you can check with each and every player, with each and every team, there's different reasons. I'm not consistent in next. With Chiefs, it's going to test something different. With Lodge, it's now age. It's now form. If it's not form, it's the future.
It's the attempt.
It's the attempts. Like that guy is playing mind games. The only reason why we are not seeing this is because he's winning.
Yeah.
So of course,
Yeah.
can't argue with someone who is winning.
But also, wait.
No, but
Also, wait.
but if
Take
you are
it-
winning,
take
at
it
least
Take it
do
from
the right thing.
no,
Right.
no. But
The right
but take it from his perspective, right?
Yeah.
He's been winning, bro.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
been winning.
Yeah.
Got us to the AFCON semi-final.
In.
Where was Lodge then? Lodge
Okay,
was
okay.
yeah. Wait. Not
Yeah.
performing. He wasn't performing.
Asimiyeke.
Yeah.
No, he cares because he was there.
But Tabang,
He cares
on that
because
point,
he saw Lodge. It's not like he's a player. He doesn't know.
Tell us a game.
well, on that point that Tabang is making
Yeah.
of AFCON, with that AFCON, there were no potential players. Everyone who was there in that Bafana team was in form currently. So there
But-
was no potential player.
Wait,
potential player. No,
Tell us
Tabang,
game I win
a potential player is not a player that at his
No, yeah,
a
I
player that is
I get that.
Who was at his best.
He wasn't
Yeah.
even there. He wasn't even
No,
there.
start, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
But why
That
did he choose
was-
him when
that was-
that was okay. Why did he choose Mufukeng when he didn't even start?
Yeah, but
Because he was grooming him.
no, man.
So now he can take him to the World Cup.
Now Mufukeng is trash. Right now.
It's not fair.
He is.
Aye.
Trash.
Aye.
Parade. His form is S.
He's in form.
Yeah, he is in form.
It's not fair. It's not on form.
Yeah. So
Case
point is,
closed.
point-
Case
no,
closed.
whoa.
Case
Point is,
Ah,
at that time,
Either you're on form or you're not on
at
form.
the time when they took Mufukeng, he was at his best. Not at his best performance,
So right.
but he was at his peak. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
His performances were top 5-star.
So
So
now,
you are starting to
so
go
now
to
you
him.
take Lodge over
now-
Mufukeng.
No, right now, what?
No. I'm saying
now.
now.
Wait,
If you had the choice,
What-
question.
Yeah.
and if you had the choice right now to choose between Lodge and Mufukeng,
AFCON Sasa.
yeah.
Watch any day.
All day, every day.
A major tournament, it's a 3-game tournament. You are playing 3 games.
Yeah,
And a second leg, 3 games you are playing.
yeah.
So why would I risk a player also informed in the 4th game instead of the 1st game?
Yeah.
Why would I risk that? Uloch is current. I know in his 1st game, Uloch just got performance a top notch.
You know,
Okay.
Yeah, because from
eh,
his form.
Fres,
From his form.
Fres, who's
You're
the
not
future?
guaranteed.
Who is the future goalkeeper Mzansi as we speak?
who's the future goalkeeper Mzansi?
Yeah.
Smith Rowe.
Me.
Smith Rowe.
Me, yeah. The Amachita goalkeeper.
Okay. Why ngam?
Yeah.
Why ngambisi? Why ngambisi?
Yeah, why am I too? Why am I busy, Valley?
Yeah,
He's
since
a
it's the
goalkeeper.
He was just playing the World Cup, right?
No.
No.
Why ngambisi?
Yeah,
Anyaka
about the future.
uzomisa.
okay. After World Cup. You won't even be there. What?
Yeah.
Okay. What does
Why Williams Zingham keep?
Yeah.
Because he's old.
Williams is number 1. Come on.
Yes.
Williams,
Okay.
yeah,
The captain, the future.
The captain.
The goal is the future.
He's the captain.
Is Williams the future? Is Williams the future of
He's the
Bafana?
captain.
The goal is the future.
He's the captain.
I need.
He's the captain.
Need.
He's the captain.
The goal is the future.
Number 1. Actually, was playing with players.
Acuna was there. Otamendi was there.
Yeah, it was
Maria.
Otamendi, Di Maria,
Di Maria, Messi.
Messi.
And
Who else?
Rodrigo de Paul is also old.
He's 20 something.
Emiliano Martinez.
20 something.
Lautaro Martinez.
Martinez is
20
dead. Goalkeeper.
Yeah.
I was 28. Come on, at the World Cup.
Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it?
These are the only.
Okay. So
Yeah.
So wait.
This is Mutau,
Yeah.
Mudiba,
Yeah.
Lodge,
Mudiba starts.
Williams. Who? Arsenal left back. Arsenal who? Who?
Saying I would.
Who?
We have
Who?
we have pressed the wing back. They're gonna set out.
Umyan is
Yeah. You were saying Mudau.
I said Mudau.
Yeah.
Mudiba,
Yeah.
Lodge.
Yeah.
Tembazwan.
Williams.
Williams, which is Emmanuel Martinez.
The goalkeeper doesn't run. Goalkeeper, I'm a goalkeeper. They reach that.
Yeah. So it's 4
Yeah.
players. We have right back. We have left back.
Yeah.
Attacking midfielder. And the winger, which is Lodge.
Lodge is not a wing at all. Nah.
Okay,
No, at the moment. Come on.
You can't
At the-
Good feeling you answer a simple question.
Boy, Lodge right now doesn't play.
Same position, Nomboli.
Yes.
Yeah,
Wena.
it's number 10.
Who would you pick?
Currently, Lodge or Umbule.
It's-
Lodge.
Yeah.
Yes.
From the horse's
Any
mouth.
day.
Let him speak.
Remember.
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 5 years time.
Remember me, boy. I was taking it from Hugo Bruce's perspective.
Which one would you pick?
Check.
Hey.
But from my obvious, I'm taking Lodge.
Why?
But-
Why?
Obvious, Lodge is a better player.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is, what I'm saying is,
Okay. So Uloch is better player. Is better.
What I'm
than your
saying
future.
is-
He's better.
what I'm saying is,
He's better
why
than
are you
future.
turning on Hugo Bruce now because of Lodge?
Mina,
You are. Because
been
Lodge,
against him.
you are telling Hugo,
Me, I
Hugo
have been
Bruce.
against him from the beginning.
Hugo Bruce took us to the World Cup. The one that you fighting Lodge to go to, Hugo Bruce took us there, way.
And then what? And then
He
what?
deserves to take anyone.
Okay,
Even if he goes to
he must
TS
go to
Galaxy and
17.
take someone there. He deserves it. He can take whoever
Another
he
thing, to
wants.
see that Hugo Bruce.
Sorry to TS Galaxy.
Another thing to shout Hugo Bruce, Joe. Whatever reason you give us, stay consistent.
Yeah.
You are telling us about who gift links that is not at the level of Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
I could say the very same thing with Unkota.
Yeah, Uncoach is not.
I can say the very same thing with Unkota. The only reason why Unkota is playing this is because he went to Saudi.
Nobody played for South Africa.
For Orlando Pirates. There is no basis of Unkota being there.
Just using the name. Uncoach
Unkota doesn't give us anything.
Yeah.
Unkota is not our pesita. I still say he's not our pesita. Unkota.
Yeah.
Can't put Uncoach
It is not.
over Oshabala.
Yeah. How the way Unkota plays.
We can put Villarreal over.
Yes, the way Unkota plays. It's same level as Villarreal. There's nothing special about Unkota. The only difference between Villarreal and Unkota is the location.
Yeah.
So you're telling me right now, if Villarreal were to go to play for Fiorentina, Adali club, and it's just like Campbell, are you gonna call Villarreal?
But
No.
is he calling Campbell though? Is he calling Campbell?
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Fraser.
So yeah.
Recognize when Unkota is
Yes.
Pirates. When?
You wouldn't pick Unkota to Pirates. You wouldn't
I
call
mean,
Unkota.
even now, Joe Nkota, yeah, sure. I'm saying, yeah, sure.
So
he doesn't
when
deserve
your
to be
point
there.
is to build the future.
My point is-
we serious
my point is,
competition.
my point is, the same Nkota that you're complaining about, Hugo Bruce picked him.
And Ghana next.
Done.
Next.
He made a goal against Nigeria.
Yeah,
He made a goal against Nigeria, and now we at the World Cup because of that goal.
Ah.
we lost that game.
On the other hand, each and every game our police was on the pitch. He gave us
But he
something.
didn't make that goal against
You
Nigeria.
don't get the point. We need players who are going to give us something.
Besides that,
Something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fraser.
Is he playing? Does he have momentum?
When uApolice umasedlalela which team?
Bulukwane City.
iPolokwane City.
Kata ngamthathi.
Exactly. What changed from taking from those teams?
Yeah.
Jiki sekathatha from two teams. What changed?
He's still taking. He's still
Ubani.
That takes back centre back.
Ubani.
He did that because
No, sikhuluma on a major
yeah.
competition. Ubani.
Ubani.
No,
I'm
they
still
specified.
Ubani. The fact that you are thinking, then that means akekho.
And Ghost as well. Paul Peterson, man, that is shit.
Why?
Okay,
He's playing well for the very same reason why he called Uchine, because Uchine is playing well.
But China came well.
No, and Uchane umbize after ama clean sheet at la 5.
Yeah.
Like kule era yakhe ama clean sheet.
Yes.
Peterson is 9 as we speak.
Yes.
Who's
Paul
better
Peterson?
between China and Peterson?
No, Ghost
no.
and Peterson.
Okay, Ghost.
Ghost and Peterson.
Who's better?
Yeah.
Who's better?
Yes.
I'm asking you, who's better?
Peterson.
Well, ask me then. Okay, well, who's better?
I'll take Ghost over Peterson. I trust Ghost more
Why?
because I've seen history performance from Ghost.
You didn't see Peterson.
Which no?
Come on, it's just
Which
now.
game?
It's
It's the same as calling Uveli Moto right now to No, I remember that Amazon 2019. Which game? No, wait.
No.
Uveli Moto of it was on fire.
One man. What's one?
No, but Peterson is a better cheerleader than Uveli Moto.
Assemble. Which performance got Ghost? Oh, remember this season? I-performance kaGoso remember this season.
Because
Which performance kaGoso
Oh,
remember?
boys,
Go show
yeah,
that this one end him call up.
now because a good is a very
Which
yeah,
performance?
it's not about
It's not about what.
a specific performance.
So it's
boy.
about what?
So you're gonna take a player, a goalkeeper,
but
just based on that one
consecutively.
It's not. It's not. It's about
Exactly.
what match.
Consecutively.
And in terms of season, Gos has a better bag of seasons than
Oh, so now you're
compared to.
judging based on the past.
What are you judging based on? Guys?
Okay, then Utah must come back. Ulochi must come back. Ulochi saved us. It's shy Egypt. A player of the season. Make a case. Make a case. You cannot. Ukosi has been the worst. It's well le Ukosi.
Exactly.
What are we national team?
And Club which is playing champions. Like, Liverpool is perfect. Listen, we are not fighting. We're not saying Liverpool. We're not saying he must go. We're not saying he must go or anything like that.
He must go.
No, we're not saying that.
Brucey must go.
But
Brucey must go.
Liverpool, Ubaba Moose. So as a father, I can't be saying Tabang ube ngo-6. No, mara ngoba unedaya ube ngo-7. Ngoba idakhi imhlophe kuneyakho ube ngo-7.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina ngine-threat ngibe ngo-10.
Yeah.
Is that siba ngo-6 sonke or asibuyi ngo-6?
Sure.
So Hugo Bruce, you can tell that his kids, right? Unabantwana Hugo Bruce, which is the PSL players. Yeah, he's picky to the players. If unasipela ngikufrostani, I'm gonna make sure awushaya ngithakini awudlala ethimini yami. Mara tabang, awushaya ngithakini but yazini ibhathi yakhe iyashine uzodlala ngoba ibhathi yakhe iyashine. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Ngoba wena le ngathi isidudla le. Yeah, le ngathi isidudla idlali. Kona le slim. Mara wena ngoba usidudla but awudropha incazi yakho uzodlala. Lo usudla like bro, be consistent to your children.
Yeah.
Because I can't be as umdushalala putting 100%, 100%, but then angidlali ngoba in this match day he said he wants to give others a chance. Whereas umdu are trying a chance. Because he said he called Abonem Tangela on the friends that come up right now. He said he called them because he wants to keep other players. And some people didn't even get a chance.
Omunye is really confidence.
Yeah.
But confidence thing I doubt.
Yeah, Umtu didn't even get a chance to show. We only get like a good 5 minutes or 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And then in the next match day, he's saying he's giving other players a chance. What chance did Umtu get?
Okay. Why angabizi Peterson again?
Yeah, Peterson.
Yeah.
So this is a chance. But then he's gonna turn and say, "No, I'm preparing for AFCON." What are we doing? Are we preparing? Are we giving others a chance? Are we what's happening? What's happening?
Going to the World Cup.
And okay.
Going to the World Cup.
Yeah.
And he has taken us to the World Cup.
Yes.
And based on that, I'll always be behind him. Even if he takes
no,
forever, I'll always be
question
behind him.
one. Question one.
Yeah.
Uthi uHelman Mkhelele
Yeah.
must be the next Bafana coach.
When we team.
When we mbuza wena
Yeah,
umuntu supporter his decision.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you say about that?
I do support it.
Okay,
Herman Mkhelele
coach which team?
For Bafana.
Coach which team?
2027 after the World Cup. Herman Mkhelele.
Yeah, he's building for the
Okay,
Mkhelele is already the coach.
Let's say Ubafo. Udeni Khodan. No, who's undefeated in the SAFA headquarters.
Yeah.
Undefeated. Unopposed. You took his position by chance. You see, if he go to the wrong hands, back guy's banned. You are the SAFA CEO or whatever.
Yeah.
Urulano ufake CV. Upitso ufake CV. Uhelin Mkhelele ufake CV. Ukaba ni span. Asimgaba makhay 3. Upitso ufake CV. Urulano ufake CV. Steve Compare ufake CV. Uhelin Mkhelele ufake CV after Hugo Bruce ukaba ni span. Nopeni Makhanda.
Nonabi.
Ukaba ni span.
2027. Herman Mkhelele.
Okay, let's give the closing. Just closing.
Closing ceremony. Napi must go.
Napi
must go.
Okay,
Juice must go. Mkhelele must go. Tabang must go.
So if you've made it to this far, the episode, please subscribe, like, and follow. It helps us a lot, and we are growing as a channel. So please leave a comment. That's what you think. Follow us. We have Freeman here. We have Tabang here. Sbuda here.
You see me
Behind the scenes.
Hey,
whoa.
when you see me, ask for the picture. I'll give you.
Guys, like, share, comment, like again, share again, comment again. See you in the next episode.